So, the bolts are out. My thumb is still intact. And the last bolt is just over there. If you can see it. With a torch like that, I'll heat them like 40 seconds, something like that. Just make them hot. And red, when you see the steel is getting red, it's 800 degrees Celsius, approximately, so should be good. And the rest is just falling out. It's a bit hot. Like nothing. Now you just give it a good smack. It's always my favorite. See how my silent block is gone here. The wheel just goes like this. But I knew it. I knew it. I'm just waiting for the right press tool, and I'll show you how to fix it. Yep, it's coming, and there it is. There it is. So, Rusty McRust. I have to hurry because you ordered Chinese food. You can see it's totally burnt. It's toast. So now we have to get this one out. The ABS sensor. If it's too fixed, sometimes you can't get it out, and you just have to buy a new one. It happens, but I think I'll get it out. Clean up this like it should. Look, that's quality for you. There's still a bit of finish on there. Ford. I love Ford. My opinion, the best cars. The price quality, very, very good. It's not a Mercedes, but it's very, very, very good. Yeah, just clean it with whatever you have. Make sure it's flush. And then install a new one, and with new ABS sensor, everything will be the same. I'll do it fast. I have this little brass wheel. It's really terrific for jobs like this. Oh, whatever. Also a very good tool, Black & Decker, 18 volts. I have this tool for like 5 years. I misused it a lot of times. It's still fucking perfect. 2 batteries was like, I think 90 euros, 85 euros, something like that. The whole set. It's really perfect. Inside also with the bolts can be tightened, not to rust but to steel. Do you see it? Do you see it happen? You feel me? And you don't take away the metal with this one, so it's perfect. Sometimes they use grinders with Scotch Brite, you have all types of them. And you see the sparks flying. When you have sparks flying, you take away the metal. You're changing the measurements, so that's not very good, you see. And in here we have some extra corrosion, some extra rust. But it's cool. It's cool. It will fit. It's not really that bad. When you have rust really like this, but more like these chunks, they won't come off at this machine. Then you'll have to get rid of them with something else, light sanding paper with a little tool. I'll show you. It will be a bit loud, sorry. Difference now, much smoother. Just a little chunk here. Okay, you see a little spark, but also a lot of rust. Pretty clean, pretty clean, pretty clean. Like the same thing here. See? It's really corrosion in the metal. Little holes, but